Hey everyone, my name is Seth and today I'm doing my presentation on Zion National Park, and I'm going to be showcasing my forecasting for the year 2023. So let's get into it. Zion National Park, it's a beautiful park located in Utah. It's really known for its huge rock formations and its beautiful coloring. A lot of people from out of the state and internationally come to hike these beautiful trails that just lead to high elevations that give you just a grand view of the canyon. Some trends that I noticed were since the initial opening of the park, there's been just an increase of people year by year visiting the park. And then even, or when 2013 hit and until 2017, there's just a sharp incline of people visiting these parks. And then obviously when COVID hit, there's a decrease, and then after, there's an increase due to people wanting to be outdoors more. Some seasonalities that I noticed was that during the summer when kids are out and adults usually take vacation, Zion's really popular, also due to its consistent weather in the summertime. And then when November hits, it gets rainy, and then December gets snowy, and a lot of these trails are pretty dangerous. So during November, December, January, and February, it's at its all-time lows due to its extreme weather. So, the method that I used to forecast the year of 2023, or the total visitations of 2023, was exponential smoothing. The reason I picked it over the other methods is it's pretty simple and intuitive. You only need to specify one parameter, and it kind of controls how much weight you give to the past data, which is nice. Another reason is it's pretty adaptive and robust, especially when you're using or forecasting for a park like Zion, or like any national park. There's going to be some pretty robust data and dips, especially during COVID. So I thought it gave a pretty accurate representation compared to other data that seems to be a little bit more biased. So, through that, I was able to give a forecasting of 4,484,2028 total visitors. And I think that just really accurately describes the downward trend after COVID and the initial burst that we are seeing. So, the impacts of COVID. COVID had a pretty interesting impact on Zion. Obviously, during COVID, everyone isolated during the initial hit, but soon after, people were getting outdoors and getting to Zion National Park. As you can see, this trend, and even into October, which is usually not a popular month for Zion, people were going. And then the year after, 2021, was the highest visited year for Zion National Park, hitting like I think it was 5 million visitors, which was insane. And then after that, I think after that surge, people stopped going. As you can see in the purple of 2022, people slowly stopped visiting, and I think my predictions and my forecasting showed that in 2023 that less and less people were going, especially after that surge in 2021. So in conclusion, I think for the years to come that we will see people really stop going to these national parks, not entirely, but there's going to be a slow decrease in the interest for these national parks. I don't think people really appreciate the outdoors like they did when they were isolated. So I think we will just see like a slow decline back to what it was in like 2018 or 2019. So thank you for listening, and goodbye.